You, Anna. Well, new concerns after the execution of Arizona murderer Joseph Wood took several hours. Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals Judge Alex Kozinski says firing squads would be more humane than lethal injection these days. He writes, "The firing squad strikes me as the most promising. 8 or 10 large caliber rifle bullets fired at close range can inflict massive damage, causing instant death every time." Is he right? For a fair and balanced debate, we're joined by our trial attorneys, Ken Rothweiler and criminal defense attorney David Schwartz. Guys, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Mike.
Ken, let's start with you. Firing squad, yes or no?
Definitely yes, and I'll tell you why, because it's quick and it's painless. The last one done in the United States was June 18th, 2010, Ronnie Lee Gardner. What they did was they put him in a metal chair, they put a hood over his head, they had 5 sharpshooters behind a wall, they put a target on his heart, shot him, he was dead in 2 minutes.
Wasn't the idea, though, of lethal injections where a person wouldn't have to take personal responsibility for killing another person? The firing squad, do they all have live ammo?
No, they don't.
So you don't know if you shot him.
One of them has a blank, so they don't know who had the blank. So they all probably. That's exactly right.
It's barbaric. I mean, we can't go back to firing squads. We can't, in the United States of America in 2014, have this barbaric way of doing it. We have to get the lethal injection right. It's not right now. We're testing it. There's the 3-drug concoction, which is working for the most part, but we have to get it right.
What is wrong? If I take my poor dog that I've had for 10 years, I can take it to my friend to a vet. They seem to know how to put somebody to sleep. What is so hard about this?
Right. Unfortunately, those that have had to put their pets to sleep, we see it, and it's a very peaceful way to go.
It happens in 10 seconds.
So I don't know what the problem is, but we have to get it right. This is the way to go: is lethal injection, not firing squad.
They botch it all the time. This is the 3rd time in 6 months that they botched it, where the person that they were trying to kill, they didn't kill right away, and they suffered. So we haven't figured out how to do it the right way with humans. So it has to be done another way. Remember, the Constitution, 8th Amendment to the Constitution says no cruel and unusual punishment. Therefore, a person like Woods, who suffered for 2 hours, even though he was a murderer and people, weren't that, sensitive about him suffering, it still was a horrible way to die. They have to figure out a way to do it quick and painless.
What about guillotines?
Guillotine would work, by the way. It started in the French Revolution. You cut someone's head off, and it's done, and it's quick and painless.
I mean, we can't go back to this barbaric way. We have to stick with the lethal injection. Like you mentioned, the pets, we have to get this right. And you know what? The first drug is a painless drug, and that will kill alone. It may take a couple of hours. It puts the patient to sleep, and it may take a couple of hours, but that's okay.
Again, don't we have a lot of bright doctors in this country? We can't figure out how to do this?
I don't think we can right now. David keeps saying it's barbaric. Killing somebody anyway is barbaric, no matter what way you do it.
And I agree with you 100%. I am against the death penalty to start, but we have to figure out the most humane way to do this.
70 countries do this, though. This is not unusual. Killing by firing squad is not something new. 70 countries do it, and it works. It's quick. It's painless. It's seen as being humane, as inhumane as killing someone could be. It is at least seen as being humane.
You made a point. I mean, is it more humane to flop around for 2 hours?
No, it's not. We have to get the lethal injection right. I think with the brain trust in this country, we could get this right.
What do you don't like about the firing squad, though? Is it the imagery of it?
I think the optics of a firing squad are just awful and barbaric. I understand that, but the idea of a firing squad is barbaric, it's cruel and unusual, and we have to get this right.
I grew up in the state of Kansas where they hung people or hanged people.
It's gone on for hundreds of years, though. You can look in the history books. You'll see that there were firing squads go throughout our history. So
stoning,
it's not barbaric.
Also, burning to death.
They don't know what drugs kills, though.
I got to cut both of you off.
Oh, so lawyers, you have to,
Okay, still ahead. 2 plane